Good morning, everybody. This is Davey from the New Trader, and this is Marie. Let's see which opportunities we find in this market today. Market is again all-time high. We have everything popping up, so looking very good. So I'm gonna check if we have any news because I see J-Paul face somewhere else. So how are you doing, Marie, today?
I am doing well, Davey, and you?
Nice, pretty good, pretty good, pretty good.
Yes, so we got some good news, like you said, with PayPal. So PayPal is definitely at very good earnings and good guidance. So I've got an order in to go in at 75. We'll see what that does.
Yeah, for the news I just checked, nothing that we normally will look at.
Okay.
So I'm gonna be looking at Nvidia. I have to keep remembering this bad boy. Remember that bad boy. So what is that you're looking at?
I put an order in PayPal.
PayPal at what price?
Okay, it's number one right now. It's number one in Arval and number two in volume, just beaten by SoFi at 75.
Understood. Yeah, I like that. I like your price. Like I told you, the only reason why I wouldn't get it there is because he can get flushy. Like a pre-market, I wouldn't get it. But if he get there during the market open, I will try to get it. Yeah, right now.
And I'm interested in
it moved a lot
SoFi.
while I was talking. 76.50. Which one?
And the
SoFi.
other one is SoFi. But when I'm looking at the possibility, like 30.50 is very, very interesting. And that's 50 cents flush. That would be a big move for SoFi. It could go without me, but like SoFi, the only way that it pays you is if you've got a good price. So I am going to put that in there.
Market is open. Watch out, everybody.
So I got the PayPal.
I used some of your.
Hey?
It's okay.
What?
It's okay. It's just I did something stupid. I did something wrong. So, but when you do something wrong, just do something right then. So, I add to the position by mistake, and that hotkey didn't work. Why it didn't work? There we go. I went short in your PayPal, and there we go. I'm sorry. Sometimes our brain is slower, you know? Those humans machines, so weird.
You gotta love it.
Oh, do we?
Oh, well, we can marvel at it or we can want to kick her ass.
So let's reload this bad boy. So go back up and I'm gonna add to that. I want you to go back up badly. Prove me wrong. I have an alarm, so that every time that the alarm ring, I'm gonna have to take a partial, no matter if I am making 1 hour or not.
Okay.
So it's a dumb way to do it, but it's dictatorial. So like because dictatorial. I don't know how you say that. It's like a mandate. So
Octatorian?
it's not. It's like
It's a yes or yes.
when something give you directions, orders, or like you do this, and like
Octatorian.
it's out of a maybe here yes maybe here no it's a timer. It's just forget about the profit, like whatever it is, just like as I add like you see me adding to PayPal like by mistake, like it's supposed to be a partial. It was an okay thing because it manifests, but yeah, it's not my best. So the timer is gonna sound in 50 seconds, and it doesn't matter what it is. I'm gonna have to take a partial. Of course, I went proactively when it moved in my favor. I went proactively and I say I want to take a partial. It did good. So I short the 76. I know we were looking long. It's just like you remember when I say like a price that is a good price. In this case, my 76 or your 75 being better. Being flushed by 73.53, like it's just too much piercing through. That means that we might not go back up in there, but like at least not for now until we go. I have a clear level toward the downside, and there we go. The alarm is ringing, and that's my alarm. That's my partial.
Good job.
And then we just rinse and repeat. But this alarm is very annoying right now. So rinse and repeat means I add at the same price, I remove. So this is ridiculous. It's like, yeah, it's okay. You do what you have to do. You know what I have done with this trade? Like it's just crazy. Like I mean, I have reloaded, add, reloaded. Like every time that I move to my average price, I add. Every time I move to my average, I add.
Yep.
So, but like every time that the freaking alarm sound, I have to take a partial. So I'm in the money, but I am reloading. I am in the money, but I am reloading.
How comfortable is that for you?
It's very annoying, I can tell you.
It's annoying?
Yeah, it is annoying.
Isn't it more interactive?
Yes. I guess I can say that. It's not my type of girlfriend. What?
Okay.
Are you being funny?
That was funny. The analogy was funny. So I'm doing the same as you, but to the long.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it might be a good loan, as I say. It's just like first I had a decent price for the short because I wait for it, but like now it's not working, so it's going back up. May get me out, which is okay.
Right now we've got 76.50. That's underneath the VWAP.
But
So both are still.
so 1 minute and 50 seconds to do anything with that trade. So where is look at Spimery, like oh my god, like what
a
the
flash,
heck?
eh?
Yeah. Oh my guy Sakis might be around there. So bonjour, ça va, mon ami, est-ce que tu es là?
What's up?
What's up?
Bonjour.
Maybe you are too young for that movie. You know that one?
Mm-hmm.
Like, okay, boomer. Hey, I'm out of PayPal. That's good. But like, I'm just looking to reload it one more time. So, the same
To the
price
long?
promotion. Unfortunately, no, Marie.
Okay.
Yeah. It's,
No, I was just wondering because
Yeah, it's not looking long for me.
Okay.
I might be wrong, but
Well, I've got 77, right? So we'll see what happens there.
as a target, because I'm able to survive that one, and I'm
Excellent.
gonna have to take a partial, like whatever it is. Just whatever it is, just take it. Oh yeah, let's go on trading and let's tell somebody to tell me what to do.
Okay, so 77 is getting close,
Hmm.
and I'm gonna be taking a partial there.
Okay, the alarm just ring, but I am not green, so whenever I get green. We need a better timer. That timer is very crappy.
I was gonna say it's not very
Intuitive.
aggressive.
Yeah, it's not aggressive. That's good at least. So, but
Right?
it's,
It's not very aggressive.
but it's I have to click so many times for it to reset that I can put it in the hotkeys too. You know, like
Okay, so 77 is going to be on deck very shortly. I'll take a partial and then see where I'm going to add on the pullback. 77's on deck.
probably I'm expressing my relationship with PayPal. Haha. I'm kidding. It's not real.
You did not have a good relationship with her.
Well, they are expensive as hell, but like that. But lately they drop it a bit. They dropped the price a bit for the transactions, so that's good.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to survive the noise on PayPal, but
You don't think so?
I don't know if it's, but like the noise is around those 77 and like probably 77.
And when you're looking at 77, where you've got, that's the 50 EMA, then you've got the VWAP at 77 before 77.50, so it's at 77 almost, what, 45?
Mm-hmm.
And then you've got the 200. So yeah, it's a level that should be noisy.
Yeah, and like you have the 7650 holding quite well, which is
Mhm.
the one I'm against. So, but
77 still there and building. That's quite a large position at 77. The 50 seems to be the 50 EMA. There we go.
is there anything you're looking at, Zach?
I'm just seeing different type of futures. Because SPY is still all-time high almost. So
Okay.
I'm looking at gold, micro gold.
Okay.
Pattern looks pretty clean.
The SPY seems to be a little bit floshy, and I have a very clear price for a SPY. So
It's at the 200 now.
yeah, I see that, and it's actually the bottom of the opening range.
Okay, at 77, took my partial. There we go. Good.
Yeah, but it's still falling.
Yes, I can show you right now, actually.
I have the 200 EMA. Like,
But like I don't know if you were talking about my blue line or if you were talking about the 200. Yeah, the 200 in the 5 minute is very far. In the 1 minute is just 23 cents away.
what price is it?
680, 685.92.
That was your price?
No, my price is 685.46. I think it should bounce from 685.46 because if it doesn't bounce, it's just gonna go all the way down to I don't remember. I have it marked here. Let's see. Oh man, I feel mad. That's not good.
You feel what? Mad?
Yeah, like annoyed. So annoyed by something.
Uh-oh.
No, it's good. It's just like it probably is the alarm. So I see I have to reset it again. So it's okay. So I didn't sleep that well. You know that for sure make it harder.
I agree. That's never cool.
Yeah, it's right. So the level I had was like 685.47, and the way this is looking like is like if it wants to go higher now, not lower. So watch out for a SPY. Like I might be wrong on SPY. Like the lower price that I have on SPY, because that's what I was looking for. The lowest price I have right now is at 681.95. 681.95. I'm actually gonna put it in the chart just in case. Because it shouldn't get there, you know? Like if we get there, it's not gonna be, people are gonna be panicking. Like, okay. Marie is printing good and doing good in the Marie, by any chance, I have a question now. Like, does that PayPal looks like a Marie trade to you?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, that's why you are like, okay. I just noticed the pattern now, and I say maybe I don't want to go against that. You know, like we have the typical problem at the VWAP that then it's just like nothing. So I'm gonna watch out for that. So the price I say for SPY is 681. 681.91. So let's look at that. So 681.91 is actually not that far in the chart. Like I mean, what is my cursor? There we go. There you are. Hey, it does work. The idea of like the thing like this.
Oh,
It
yeah.
does work. So it's
Hey, yeah, you'll have to do that to me, to mine after.
681.91. So my projection for a SPY, if ever it wants to get really bearish, it will be around there.
6 what?
681.91. So
Okay.
it's the only two I'm gonna mark. Okay, the alarm is gonna ring, and I might need to take a partial because this guy is trying to manifest. So, though I could do a favor to myself and get out of that thing and get it at a better price because.
So for me, what I have, like I said this morning, 585.20, so that's the PCL. We'll see what it's going to do at the PCL, but seems to have enough juice to pull back to that, which is, you know, we say, ooh, what a big pull. Well, we're talking $2 and...
That's for SPY.
Correct.
Yeah, like right now it's just looking like typical profit taking and things like that. So we can't kind of want to be nimble with that until it proves to be wrong. What I will be looking for, a bigger candle toward the downside before I get I don't want to get freaky because this is a candle for the open, like this big one. No. Okay, no, this yeah, this one is after. Yeah, maybe we are right about the direction there, but we're gonna wait. You know, it's. I would like to see a little bit bigger candle before I decide to do anything to the short, like aggressively or anything like that. So, all right, we are. The alarm is gonna ring soon too, but like let's see. Right now, the alarm for the profit taking is a 3-minute alarm. You know what I noticed it? That it keep me on a trade like 100% because like then you say, oh, I want to add, I want to remove, I want to add, I want to remove. So it's like
And that's what I meant, the interaction.
it keep you so like so much into yeah.
The price action variation, right?
Yeah, exactly. Let's see if you're gonna have any value or not. But you have to do that when you have lacks of discipline and things like that. Like I don't have that much lack of discipline. It's just like I want to see what it does. I like to break things to see how they do. So, all right. So, you are still in your longish. Yeah.
I'm longish.
That's good. That's good. That's good.
We'll see.
Yeah, I see the tape is super bullish. Like I see that it wants to go to 80s, but PayPal.
It's the between that's not clear.
PayPal at 80 today is like, I don't know,
82.50 pre-market. So
Yeah, it for sure went there, but people that were on PayPal, many of them right now, they are taking a release. Like, oof, finally this thing went
yeah, so
finally this
whoa.
thing went back, to somewhere.
Whoa. I can understand that. It makes sense.
$77 right now, aggressively selling, but let's see. Let's see what it wants to do with it.
We seem to have now participation up to the VWAP, so this is interesting. We'll see what happens there, but we've got 77, like the 09 that's heavy, the 25, so is that momentum gonna push it through? We don't know. There's 77 again.
Yeah,
And let's see, we've got 09 on deck. Definitely now made a higher high. There we go. Oh yeah, can't leave that on the table. And the VWAP has been hit.
Yeah.
77 is still very high.
Seem to be holding good above the 77, so.
Yeah, but it's the VWAP that's a telling one, so we'll see.
Mm-hmm.
Crossing the VWAP. But still not a whole lot of momentum. Okay, so now we've got the 50 building up and the 78 building up, so that's interesting. Should pull back to the 77 again. And we'll see what's going to happen.
Oh yeah.
Okay, this is interesting.
I got it back.
Which one?
I got short back on the PayPal. I got a better price, but I got a tighter stop loss.
Okay.
If it goes back to the high, I'm out.
And that's the VWAP?
No, that's the 7750, which is the actual.
That's a print?
It's a 20 moving average for the 5 minute, and it's also very close to the.
For me, it's my 200 EMA.
Okay. So now the alarm is gonna ring, and I'm gonna have to take a partial. I say that. There we go. So first, you take your partial, then you dismiss whatever you did, and then you add at the same price that you had before. So, and you keep repeating the same process.
Rinse and repeat.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so
Killing me
reprint
softly with this love. Killing me
77.
softly with love. I can take partials a hit, but I cannot ignore the partial if it's green. So that's the deal.
Okay. Okay, on its way up.
Right, so I have my stop loss.
Okay, 70, 70, 50, and then we've got 78 building now. So, mm.
Yeah, probably if you stop me out one more time, I'm gonna leave it alone. No, not because of not because of the you having anything wrong. It's just like yeah, you got me out. It's just I'm probably fighting too much with it for no reason. So the loan, Marie took it at the right price, but I didn't took it. So if I want to go, I could probably give it another shot at 78, but I'm gonna have to have a stronger reason to do that. So
That's going to be my next partial. And I'm going to see, because as we've seen on the tape, I'm sure you've noticed too, that's why you're out, is that when it gets to the next level or the next step, then the tape populates between. So I'm going to watch what is going to happen. Like this is what happened now from the 50, 77, 50. It's populating now quite nicely to the 78. So we'll see. There seems to be interest now up to 78.
okay, that was a hotkey mistake. Or that was not a hotkey mistake. That was a mistake from this thing. Got me immediately, and that's not what I want.
So SPY is interacting well with the PCL. That's the level we were talking about. 685.25, 685.20.
Yeah, but the SPY is below the level right now.
No, no.
At least for me, yeah.
Yeah, no, for me that's what the level I was talking about this morning. That it seems like at that level for me on the tape.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not as there we go. So 77.50 for SoFi now has been crossed. We're on our way to 78, and actually the speed has been taken off now. So I am going to be taking, and there we go. So then we'll see what happens, and there we go. Now we've got 78.50. So we'll see what is going to happen there. So it's $3 spread for SoFi. SPY is reacting very well to the PCL. What a wick. If it fills that wick, whew, check the volume candle on SPY.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I saw that.
Wow. Okay, so what's encouraging for PayPal is that it seems to still have some momentum to the top. When we're looking at the RSI, when we're looking at the volume candles, when you're looking at the MACDs, there's still some spread and there's still some interest on the tape. So now it seems like 78.50 is the next step. It's definitely not as volatile when we're looking at that it is number 3 volume, NVIDIA's number 2, and it is at this moment top in RVol. So I find it very, very, how do we say? Do, 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 do. So SPY wicked it. Did a dollar wick and is pulling back down now.
Oh, that was a mistake. You son of your mom, you son of your mom. What a nasty wick on the SPY.
Incredible. So 78, we're definitely a little bit tougher there at 78. For PayPal. What a nasty SPY move.
Yeah.
For anyone that has a trade that is aligned with SPY or market. Consumer confidence is coming out in 1 minute. So with SPY and the reaction it's doing right now, could be interesting. Okay, so 78.54. PayPal. It needs to repaint before. We've got 10 seconds for it to reprint 78. And it did. Good job. Good job, PayPal.
Zach, anything going on right there?
I'm long on SPY. And I'm looking for a short on IBIT.
Understood. Oh my god.
So the numbers may not be coming out because of the government closure.
Really?
Surprise, surprise. Oh. Oh, they did come up.
I would check them out.
I'm not able to see them very well.
But I checked the news and I didn't see that today.
Forecast 93. Previous 94.2. Is that possible? 93.2.
Like, did
Okay,
anybody
so
look at
since-
the ADP this morning? Like,
The actual is 94.6.
and what number is that?
Eh?
What number is that?
So that is. Make sure because there was two numbers
Because,
coming
like,
out.
if you look at mine today,
Uh-huh.
there is nothing of this.
There's nothing. Come on.
Like, I do have
So-
Richmond Fed Manufacturing Index,
Yeah.
but I don't have consumer. I find that my mood is reflected on my trading today, and I don't like it. It's not funny.
Can't. No.
So you got the numbers?
Yeah, so it is 94. It's very hard to. So it is 94.6
And
to 94.2 consensus, and previous 93.8.
so it's a better number.
It's a better number.
Nice.
So is that going to be affecting SPY?
Welcome to this segment. We have bad jokes and bad stories.
Oh, segment.
Yeah.
The segments of bad jokes.
With Zach and Marie.
Hmm?
With Zach and Marie. Yeah, I did a little bit of revenge on
On which
PayPal.
one?
On PayPal, that's for sure.
Do you have a feeling, Davy, that you would need intravenous coffee today?
Well, if you answer your question, I prepared double of the coffee today that I have been preparing purposefully. So, like I say, today
Well, good job.
I'm gonna need to take another coffee.
Good job. Look at you.
Oh, wait, for sure.
Okay.
Zach is our savior, Zach. Bring your jokes, my guy. Bring your jokes.
Jokes incoming.
What?
Houston or Houston coming? Like, what did he say?
Houston is coming, I think.
Jokes incoming.
Jokes incoming. Okay. La 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 la.
Yeah, I got one.
All right.
Nice.
Crack it down.
Oh. I'm sorry and I apologize usually mean the same thing, but not at a, as I not at a funeral. I fucked it up a bit.
Oh, love it.
Did you saw the video I watched this morning that I sent you guys this morning? No, you
No.
yeah, I sent it in the family group. Like you have to watch it. It's just,
Okay.
like I'm gonna send it to Zach actually. it's it's a crazy video. It's like if ice will be Canadian. And you really laugh at it. It's like next.
Me.
That one is funny. I haven't spoke to my wife in years. I thought it would be rude to interrupt her.
Lucky us that nobody's watching this show, yo. It's like look at this one. Since they like in heaven, like or in, like in the judgment thing for God, they have approved the reincarnation. So since they have approved the reincarnation, the population in hell is so low because right now they find out that it's a better punishment for a man to send him to be a girl again than to be in hell.
I know. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Yeah.
Like as
I
a
don't
punishment,
think
you're
you'll
gonna be
survive.
one.
Yeah, you won't survive. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Okay, 78.50 for SoFi.
You're talking about PayPal, Marie.
PayPal. I don't know why I keep saying SoFi.
You keep
Because
saying
that was
SoFi all the
my
time.
yeah, and that was my second trade.
Bing, 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 bing.
Okay, I'm gonna be listening to this one. Excuse me. That is. So,
I send it to you, Zach, if you wanna watch it.
oh
It's like-
God, that's hilarious. That's so us too.
I watched it. Funny.
I love it. Totally, totally true. Yeah, that would be us.
There are things that you don't understand until you really clutched into them. So, like, I mean,
What you mean?
like, since yesterday, I'm understanding something related to what book is it? Well, I don't remember. Right now, I know I read very, very long ago.
Okay.
And, like, when you're going into a, like, if you have a decent price, I'm not saying I have a decent price, and, like, PayPal, I really revenge it, so I misbehave in there. But what I'm saying here is like, there is a book that I don't remember right now which one was it, but, like, what they were saying is that if you are shorting or going long on a level, and you have a good price, and, like, let's say you have a healthy ATR that is kind of telling you how much the stock is moving. If it violate that and you go in at another level, instead of going smaller, you go bigger. And it's making so much sense, and the reason for that is because as the ATR expand, like, then you have less and less probability of keep going in that direction. But, like, at the same time, like, what do we do intuitively? Because when we get smoke, we get smaller. So we get smoke, we say, oh, now I'm wrong, I'm gonna go smaller. But, like, it's just because it wasn't part of your idea from the beginning.
You doubt it.
You doubt it, yeah, but it seems to be correct with the idea of if you have another level that is a little bit, is supposed to be a better price for your idea, and your idea is still valid, like, you can go bigger with probably tighter stop loss. But yeah, it's
Do you have an example of that?
PayPal is a sample,
Okay.
but I cannot explain it correctly because I am influenced by it a little bit too much.
Okay. So I took another.
It's just
So when we're looking at the market right now, and I'm more specifically a SPY, when you're look at that very, very steady climb.
yeah, dropping the bottom right there.
Well, trapped to a certain extent, like you say, trapped for about $1, but it really reacted well, I find, to the PCL. I haven't watched what's on the tape right now, but what I do see, there is a position that seems to be at the same, at 685.20. That's interesting in buying, but I'm not sure if it pulls back to there, it could definitely go through for the shorts.
Yeah, well, SPY is right there actually right now. It's just I gonna like this is a SPY. That's the line I had there, so yeah, I don't like the way it's looking, but we're gonna wait to see what it wants to do.
So we've got a very, very mixed sector map. So
Oh, mix, yeah.
mix.
Yeah, funny.
So-
The overall market red. What is green today?
NVIDIA.
Well, it has a sector.
Oh, semiconductor.
Semiconductor, yeah. Last week was the opposite.
though.
What?
That looks good.
Yeah, 462.
Mm. Hey, you could be winning your bet.
It's far from there yet. It's very, very far from there. But yes, I know what you mean. Zach, how is the kitty? He has a new kitty.
Pretty good, pretty good.
Oh, he has a new one. I didn't
Yeah.
know. Oh, wow.
Yeah. A black kitty.
Yeah, it's like he showed me a video and the new kitty is pegging the old kitty, and like the old is like just like like
That's so cute.
it's enjoying the
that massage.
Mhm.
I love it.
Mhm.
Oh.
Let's take a look at those options. Kind of ignore them today. So Aurora is a 45% and Rivian is 10% red.
Was it a call or a put on Rivian?
It's a put. But like it seems to be, the idea seems to be valid. Oh, Rivian. Da, 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 da. Yeah, the Rivian idea sucks seems to be correct. Oh, my bad, I had the wrong ticket. Rivian. Good girl. Yeah, okay. Yeah, at the point that Rivian is right now, we're gonna be very wrong, or we're gonna be right, like right by about 10% in the price, stock price. Wrong can be by a lot, more than 20,
Mm.
which is okay because that means that the option will be 0-0, but like 10% down in the stock, what does that represent for the option in this case? So that's what we don't know. PayPal.
Push from SPY here. Climb for the RSI. Strong on its way to the VWAP and the anchor. Still below the opening range.
Oh my god.
What?
I'm just noticing that our vol in PayPal
Mm-hmm.
is 1,045%.
But didn't I? Okay.
You know, that's what happened when we didn't sleep.
That's true. I'm a little sleepy too today. A lot of people, they pay attention to PayPal right now.
Yeah, I might be lucky there, but Luck is not what we are looking for here, you know.
79 seems to be, and it seems to be on its way to 79.
Yeah, I even have 79.60.
Correct.
No, cool. Mm-hmm.
79 on deck, 95 on deck first. A little front running on that trade there. $95. And there we go. Not building as quick to next levels here. So we'll see if 79 is going to be it. For PayPal. Well, that is funny.
The 80s.
So we've got no, actually is, if you're looking at this here, Davey,
Mm-hmm.
we've got down, down, down levels, okay? The first up level is right at 79. Which you're saying, what? Obviously, I've got a limited tape.
Yeah, we will have.
Right, so we don't see what possibly could be out there, but it's possible that 79 could be a toppy there. So depending on what's going to happen when it's going to reprint like here and how much it's going to be escaping it, I might be taking a second partial there. Like I said, there's not a whole lot of continuity of the tape that are available to me to go to the 79.50, but there we go, 79 again. Is it going to pierce through? Oh, wow, what a momentum there. Okay. Good reaction from Spy from the VWAP.
Mm-hmm. Do you have the overnight VWAP on that one? Like
The Anchor VWAP? Yeah. They're almost together and you?
yeah, in that chart I don't have it.
Okay.
Oh, I see it in the other. Yeah, I see.
Yeah,
I see,
you
yeah.
see that they're, well, for me, in my 1 minute, right?
Yeah,
So,
yeah, like not even
yeah.
the 5 minutes. It's like the VWAP
They're
doesn't
joined.
change much. There's a little difference, but it's not. There shouldn't actually be any difference in those VWAPs, but it's okay.
You're talking Spy, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Shoot my head. Do-do-do-do-do.
Okay, so now we've got interest to 79.50.
It's getting a bit chilly here, huh?
Mm-hmm. Agree.
whenever Zach is able to show me that, I will back to that. So.
You, I'm gonna show you in 5 seconds.
Okay, so we're gonna take a little break. Very well. What is your point of view on PayPal at 76? Like if you see 76 right now, have no sizes. Like there is a 14 lot at 76.50, but 75 has 80 lot. But it going to 75 means he broke the 76. So if you break the 76, the 76 was the highest, the biggest share size during the pre-market.
So right now, it seems like he's got trouble at 77.20, which is the overnight VWAP, right? The anchor view. So now we've got, definitely a possibility to be pulling back to 76 if it goes through this kind of
Like you don't see it going to 73, right? No way. It's like in no way, Jose.
I don't have any level except the 50 EMA. So 73 is a 50 EMA in the 30 minutes for me. But I have no position that's meaning right now on the tape. So would it be possible to go back there? Why not? But 73, I've got 74 again. So why do you say 73, Davey?
Well, I say 73 because like the same, like what is for you the 50 is for me the 200 in the 5 minutes.
Okay.
And yeah, there is a level at 70. So the 70, I don't think he's gonna get there.
Well, 70 is close to the PCL, right? So like the previous day close was what, 70.25 is it, or not close to that, right?
Yeah, the previous close is 70.25. Yes.
Okay, so
Yeah,
did we see stocks start selling at that? Absolutely.
I have a 74 level. Like that's the one that is more healthy.
I have the 74 as well. And 74 was the actually it was when it opened, right? It pulled back there.
But it went even lower. It went to 73.
Almost 50.
73.53.
Okay. 181. What do you know? At the position at 81. What does he know? We haven't seen a large position like that. That would be sweet.
Especially in this name.
Like 82. Like when we're looking at today, pre-market included, we're looking at 82.50 to 73.50 for PayPal in one day. $9. That's huge, right? Obviously, like we say, the earnings were very, very good, and with that strong guidance, definitely makes it interesting. I added at the pullback of 77 to my position right there, and we'll see. I don't have a full position by any means or stretch of the imagination. I'm gonna recenter my.
Zach, you get all out of 5, do you say?
Yes.
Okay.
No, I got short but small position, just to maybe because it looks like a drop and then going back up a bit. Not dropping more.
Mm-hmm.
I
Yeah,
got really weak.
it's already almost 11, so that if it's gonna keep dropping, that should work.
I have like a quarter of the position, then I'm gonna add it.
Nice,
Confirm.
nice.
So the position at 77 is smaller now. But we are going to be, because of the volume dropping a little bit there, we might have enough to pull back to 77.
Like one of the reasons why I have trouble with the loan in this name is like, and I know Marie did very well in the loan, but like look around, like Tesla is bleeding, Nvidia is bleeding, SoFi now is red, Amazon now is red. All those names were names that were like pumping up quite well, and most of those names are very strong names. Look at DJT. DJT was 3% up, and now it's 1.7 only. So it's like, you know what?
And like you say, to your point, the all market high. So okay, so SPY now is reacting. We've got the 50 for me. In the
Mhm.
1 minute, you've got the 50 EMA and the 200 EMA that are joining. And that seems to be...
You don't have to say for me. There is no judgment here. So it's good.
No. I mean, for my 1 minute. Sorry. For my chart.
The one that is very tilted today is this guy here today. So you are doing fantastic, Marie. So just like,
You're funny.
no, I'm not being funny. So if you say that, I cannot say you are being funny. But if you say it, I can. Come on.
Go on. Come on. Okay, you're going to be pulling back 77. What are you going to do? I'm going to be out of the trade. And I'm okay with that.
I might be wrong, but on the tape, I don't see anybody excited about buying PLTR, PayPal. Like I don't
Correct.
see like
That's why I said the volume is definitely dropping.
the 75 have 81 lot. That's not a lot for a stock that is printing 1,000% relative volume. Like if just 200% of those decides to sell against you, your 8,100 shares are nothing. You know, so
Well said.
oh my gosh. Look at my badge.
Hey, look at your badge.
My badge.
That's funny. You're a nice Asian.
One more night. One more night. One more night. One more night.
I just watched a video of you know the investor Kevin O'Leary.
Mm-hmm. What did
You know
Kevin
him?
and Larry say? Yeah, I know Kevin and Larry.
Yeah, so he said he was talking about his son in the video, and like his son was really bad in school. He said, and then he asked about because I think Kevin doesn't want to give him any money, like he only paying for his college. So the
Education.
fund that he had was
Mhm.
paying for his college and university and everything.
Mm-hmm.
So he asked about the trust fund. Would he asked if he would get money after school, and his dad said no. Like, it would be basically to construction or something if he doesn't go to school. So
Yeah.
he saw like, oh fuck, I'm in trouble if I don't go to school. So he started becoming good. He became an electrical engineer,
Yeah.
and he went to McGill in Montreal.
Holy.
I didn't know that. And so he went in McGill, and he got into Formula SAE,
Yeah.
like I'm doing
Nice.
the car, and he built the software to release the energy from the battery the most effective way. And then because of that, he got hired to Tesla.
Nice.
'Cause,
Yeah. Like Kevin and Larry was saying about his son too. At some point, I don't know if he said it in that video, but he bought a block on Tesla because of his son actually. But I didn't know that his son was working for Tesla. What he say is like, my son don't stop talking about Tesla. And when I see that, he say I want to invest in whatever he's. I'm like, so he went and buy a little block of Tesla.
Wow.
But yeah, he went to Montreal University, like McGill.
Very nice.
So imagine, because we all go to the same competition in Michigan,
Mm-hmm.
and we talk to Quebec teams. So imagine I talk to his son. But he might be older than me.
Yeah, I think it should be older than you probably.
You think so?
Yeah, probably. I don't know.
Yeah, because now he worked for Tesla, that means he's done.
Yeah, he's finished, and like that might be long ago. Did you know that he was running for a political position in Canada, and he was in trouble because he had to return the money because he lose.
Mm-hmm.
Really?
Yeah, and Mark Cuban rescued him, like because at that point he didn't have that much money. But
Mhm.
Mark Cuban, yeah,
I like Mark Cuban.
yeah, me too.
Mm-hmm. You saw what he did with the Mavericks?
Mm-hmm.
No, I didn't see it. What he did.
But like, after he sold his first company or something for billions,
Mm-hmm.
he bought the Mavericks, a basketball team,
Mm-hmm.
for like really cheap because the team was like,
Oh, that's why. Yeah, okay. Now I know why I see.
the
those
team
videos.
was trash and nobody wanted to go to the games. So
Okay.
in like 10 years, he made them like one of the most watched teams.
Dynasty.
Very nice.
And he transformed like 100 million into like 10 billion, something like that.
Wow.
Hmm.
Like
Doesn't he own a second team? Sporting team? I thought he had to.
probably.
Maybe, but that one is
Probably,
from
yeah.
the beginning.
Mm-hmm.
Because there is a video of his son and like him at a game. Like there are many videos of he and his son in the games and like.
Okay.
But yeah, just like I think he met Ozuna or Bad Bunny, something like that. And his son didn't want to say hello to, and people did like a viral video of that. Like, look how the kid of Mark Cuban doesn't want to say hello to this guy. Yeah, that's cool. It's he's American, right? Like, I guess, like, I mean, like,
I think so.
he for sure lived there, but like, what I mean is he from there or is he from somewhere else?
His father's from here. I don't know
He's
where his
Canadian?
son. I don't know where his son is born.
It's cool, like for Canada and the States, like there are many links. Like I mean, many of you guys, like and girls, like you have your partner is like in the past used to be. I don't know now actually. I say in the past just because I kind of don't know for the actual generation, but yeah, like we see a lot of people that say, "Oh, my husband is American or was American, or my grandpa was American," or
My father was American.
yeah, exactly. So
Yep, there used to be a lot of positive interaction between the two countries.
as we see in that video, there is still a lot of positive things. It's just like we are having a little hiccup. That's it. Yeah.
That's a full-on indigestion, but okay, I'll take your hiccup. I'll take your hiccup.
Yeah.
So PayPal's definitely doing a little bit of a push there. Where's your alarm for partialing?
It's off. I'm given to the bat.
Okay, you like this? So I was able to add on the pullback for PayPal, but we'll see now. 80, 78. Okay, so I'm good to 78. I just saw that I've got something to reply to.
Go look in Instagram. I sent you a video.
Okay. On my way.
I have their card. In California,
Yeah. You'd make a nice little addition.
PayPal pumping up. Let's see, PayPal, what are you made of?
78.50.
Again? Did they populate a bit better? But I don't like the space I see between the 78 and the 78.50.
Correct. But it's only watch the tape now. And
Yes.
when it's gonna get at 78,
They will show up.
you will show up. So people then
People will show up at the offer, right? That's what
Correct.
you are saying. Is
they will show up at the offer, correct.
but that's a hidden seller.
Mm-hmm. Because RSI is climbing, but it's not at the top. Burr.
Brr. It's cool when you do that. Though I don't know from where it came.
The what?
Though I don't know from where it came.
What? The cold?
No, the burr.
Because it's gold, that's what we say in Canada. Burr.
Let me just bring up the heater.
Okay, so we got to 78. Now look at the tape.
Okay. Staring at the tape.
So 178 got there. What did the tape do?
Nothing
It was
show up right
bare. And now it's starting to.
Hmm.
So now we've got more and more showing up. Small positions at first, and we've got a late comer at 78, which definitely confirms the push. But the momentum has been initiated. Are we going to pull back at 78? Definitely could be, because he keeps. There we go. 78. It disappeared.
78.04, 67 lot.
Correct. So now he's front running. So the 78 that was there disappeared. Now he's at 04. Because he's saying, I don't want it to
But
leave
look-
without me.
Or he got filled or he removed his order.
Did not get filled. So the move is without him.
I'm not sure about that. You see the 78 with 25.25? That's a test. Looks like a test to see how bullish it could be.
Now 78.50 as double disposition.
78.03, 71 lot. It was 78.04 previously. Now he's willing to buy a lower. But he disappeared.
There we go. Why? Because now the price has popped 10 cents past him. Okay, so you just bought at 12.
I think he's loading up now, I see.
So now 78.50 is almost 200. That's accelerating the tape.
Mhm,
78.50.
mhm.
I think I'll take a double partial there.
Oh yeah.
Just because of the RSI. Really big orange.
I know we have ignored it a bit, but have you guys looked at the SPY again? Like, what is going on there? You know?
Big consolidation of a dollar. Not even 50 cents.
Yeah, but like for almost an hour.
You?
Well, for more than an hour, because he got into there the first time he touched the bottom of that was at around 10:15, 10:45. Then went up a bit, but didn't hold above. And something I don't like is that the RSI on the SPY looked like crap. Do you agree on that statement?
Absolutely crappy. Very crappy. Right in the middle. No. It's almost as heavy on top than it is on the bottom. Non-committal RSI. Okay. So 78.50, though we wicked it there, did not get filled. So they're trying to tell us that it's going to reverse there, but it's a smoky, smoky move. The little burgers. So now 79 is definitely building, and it's the 79 is over 200 lots now. So we'll see what happens there. 78, though it was wicked, 78.50 was not filled. So we still have the positions there just hanging on the table.
Zach, do you have any trade?
Spy's
I
making
still have the long on SPY,
Okay.
but yeah.
Spy's making a lower low.
Yeah, it's looking weird there because it's below the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
Like, well, the opening range bottom, so.
It's under the opening range.
Exactly, that's
Okay.
what I'm trying to say.
Mm-hmm. But it's respecting the PCL, right? So, like, it's well above the PCL, but there's definitely could be a pull. Like, the volume has really, really dropped. Okay, acceleration here. This could be the last little push. We'll see where it goes after that. So for me, I'm checking to see, first of all, do we continue to have momentum to get to the 78.50, and to see if I am going to take a double partial, but am I going to keep anything for the 79? 79 right now is building up to be over 200 lots, so that's a possibility. SPY made a lower low without a whole lot of a wick, but right now we've got an engulfing candle that seems to be happening towards the buyer's side, but we did have quite a flush there.
That will be for PayPal, right?
That would be for SPY.
SPY?
Mm-hmm. So we had almost 5 minutes in selling, and then we had a big wick for, no. So what did you trade today, Davey? Just PayPal?
Just PayPal.
Okay. So you're like me. Wrap up should be easy.
Yeah, I have. Yeah, it's just. I don't have much to say about the PayPal because it was just like revengey. I'm like, yeah, it's like, do I think that my trade is correct now? It's still valid now. Do I think I did good? No, I did like crap. Like, I mean, like, it was just wrong reason why to short it. It's just stupid. So, but yeah, just that. Like, I'm gonna go through the trade when we get there. But yeah, what I was going to say, I was going to say something. Oh, have you guys? Any of you? Have you went to Australia? No. Okay.
Bucket list for sure. You?
No, I never went there.
No, I never went to Australia. But like, I had a friend in Ontario that he lived in Australia for a long time. And like the question is because I remember always these guys saying like in Australia things are upside down because whatever you think it means something, it doesn't mean that. So so why I think about that because I am like I was going to take a break to go to take to pee, let's say, and like I remember in Australia, like to take a piece or something like that. It's like to be mad or something like that. I don't remember. It's like it's something like that. So I just wanted to see if you guys knew what it was like.
No. I know some people cannot understand what they say. That I've heard.
And they have a good varieties of animals, like weird things that can kill you easy.
Well, a lot of it that's not found anywhere else on the planet, right? So
Yeah.
that's why for me it was on my bucket list. Because of the flora and fauna, I found very, very interesting.
Yeah. We'll see.
And when you're looking for, like, New Zealand
Mhm.
is I think a little bit more appetizing, but it's right there, right there. A long ferry ride.
Australia. Pump it up. If you look at the mountains, the 7810 is a bit heavy. Between 7810 and 7812.
12 was,
Yeah.
yeah.
Now we are really testing that. Let's see how it comes out from there. And yeah, bunch of middle print there actually. So the print is a little bit weak there, but because there is too much middle print, it's kind of hard to read if it's looking strong or not. The fact that it's holding, probably we can say it's strong yet. So printing 7806, reading the tape heavier bit right there, and we drop a couple cents, but then we rebid at a higher price by a lot. So that's still looking bullish print in there. Probably we're gonna have to print 78 again for us to see if this is for good.
78.50, you mean?
I do not expect it to go to 78.50.
Okay.
The reason for that is because we are fighting with a lower print. So the 78, if it tests the 78 and it fail, there is no reason why to go above 78.30. But you are better at reading this tape right now, and not just right now, like you are really reading the tape that good. So I'm reading not the actual order book, I'm reading just the print.
Okay.
And like the print is strong, it's strong.
So we've got 30
yeah, I see. So
and went through 30. If you
yeah, and it's holding 30. So okay. What I want to see right now is a bunch of red print just with volume, with decent volume, just for me to sense that we got thousands of print right there. Okay, thousands of prints again. It dropped but insignificantly, whatever it dropped, and then it repeat higher. So yeah, this thing is bullish as hell. So now it dropped a little bit too much probably, but it repeat right after. Probably if the market wouldn't be an all-time high, this thing would be a good swing. 27, yeah, the print is failing a bit. Nothing serious, like I mean, I do not have big expectations for the shorts, at least not as now. 78.26, 78.26, let's see, do we get another heavy
It's got
print?
15 seconds. There we go, it already did it.
Yeah, like, now the
So
same
now
way I
there's
was
more.
saying that it was holding a lower print, now it's holding a higher print, so 78.50 should be doable, as you say.
Yeah, 78.50 is still at close to 200.
It gap down 10 cents, so I didn't see the print because I was looking somewhere else. But yeah, let's see. Yeah, that's a lot of middle print right now. So back to the 27s.
30, 25 seconds.
Okay.
To this push, it should go to 35. It still has, no, it's still 7.
I sense a little decrease on the momentum.
You are correct.
And if you look at SPY about to interact with the PCL, so the momentum on the tape is really different now. So I wouldn't say it's not bad. It's not bad for the loans. It's just not there right now. But okay, now it's bleeding. Now it's bleeding. It's gapping up between 5 to 10 cents here and there. So let's see the test at the 78. Like you say 78.02, I think it was, or 78.04.
78.
78, okay. So 78. So do we have any sizes? We don't have sizes until 77.91. So 78 right now printing. Yeah. Okay. By how much? By
4
how
cents.
much? That's the question. We are not losing the 78.
We've got gaps. We've got a bidding spread here. That's increasing.
But I don't see any serious sizes at the bid or the offer, either of them.
78.50. 200.
I see 2,000 lot at 78.11. and that was to the buy. But then we print 77.91. Like, what the heck? Did it just gap 17 cents without milling them?
Spread is 6. Yep.
17 cents in there that way is not good for the long because that means lack of buying. 17 cents. Like I'm saying that it came from the 78.12, 78.11. It was 20 cents to 79.91. So
Yeah.
not much people are defending the 78 right now. So we're gonna have to wait. As always, we're gonna have to wait. And why I'm reading the tape today, you know, like
Why are you?
you know why I am, because I am. I'm feeling a little bit like if I didn't do my job correctly today, and like I'm trying to realign myself with what I know what to do, which is reading the tape. But like, hey, I have like 3 months without reading the tape, just like that. Look at that, yeah, that now, yeah, that trade is done. Just wait for it to see, and you will see like a spike below the PCL. Like that thing gonna go down probably another $1. So yeah, coming like now it's just gonna come back to every station. So now it's gonna go 77.81, then it's gonna go 78, just like it did right now. Then go back to 79.91, 77.91, and it's gonna keep playing that game. But
So it's gonna go to 14.
You think it's gonna go to 14?
It's
Okay.
gonna go to 22. And
Okay.
then at 22, we'll see what's gonna happen there.
Yeah, I wouldn't expect it to go to 22. Even 14s, I think is a bit far, but like, I believe in you more than what I believe in me right now. So,
It's temporary.
well, it's not that it's temporary. I believe in you a lot. But like today, like you know, when you are tilted and you have to be able to say, hey, you know what? I better listen to you now instead of listening to whatever I have inside my head. So, and there is nothing negative. It's just like I sleep bad. I sleep like crap. I sleep good, but not enough. That's the word. Yeah. So I like, and that really throw me off.
Well,
So
sleep seems to be important. Did you want to wrap it up?
yeah, we're gonna wrap it up there, and like I have to go and prepare my lunch. So as we all know, I did not good today. Not good. Yesterday I recuperated a lot of my red day. So I had a red day yesterday, and today, right now, I am red. I'm not convinced I'm gonna finish the day red, but right now I am red. So try to guess what I did here, because even myself can explain it. So I went short here, add to the short by mistake, partial, add to the short, all out. That was good. We were green there. Then I short, got out. Short, partial, got out. Short, got out. Short again, and this is the same trade I am still holding. Right, that short here. It moved all that against me. Like, this chart doesn't look like that, but this thing is moving like a lot. Like, basically I got 77, it moved like almost $2 against me, so, and I didn't liquidate. So that's why I say I'm giving to the bad today. Like, I mean, it's not good, but whatever, it's okay. So I know what I'm doing there, so it's okay. Yeah, but yeah, bad trading for me. Don't do what I do. Don't learn from me today. So like, just really ignore myself, and like, yeah,
Or learn from you.
or learn from me to not do this. So yeah. Why did I do that? I just don't get it. You know, it's just like, I mean, wrong stock. I was wanting to go long on Nvidia, but at a very technical price, and it's not even there yet. And I was looking for the short on Nvidia. At what price did I say? Because we were at the show, like at 76, at 196 or 195. So that short will be fantastic. But like, no, you went and you trade PayPal. So what about you, Marie? Marie have PayPal too, but she did exactly the opposite of what I did.
So I took it.
It's
at
actually her
70
only ticket, I think.
Correct. So I took it at 75.
Just for you to see, like, where I have my partial here, Marie went long at those prices around there.
Yeah.
Like,
So I took it at 75 long, I added at 75.30
Oh my gosh.
when it pulled back. I added again at 75.25. Then I took my first partial at 76, my second partial at 77.25. I added 1, 2, 3 to the pullback to 76.50. I took another
Around
partial 77.50. I added at 76.80. I took a partial at 77.50. Another partial at 78.40. 78, 76, 79 was my last partial. I've been adding since for the fullback to the pullback.
So she have a partial right here, like you see at the top here, right there. She have a partial,
79.10.
and then she have an ad at the VWAP, an ad here,
Correct.
and an ad here.
My first
So-
ad was at the VWAP. My second ad was at the Anchor VWAP. My third ad was at completely at the bottom of the pullback. So that would be 76.90, I think. So, and now I'm still in the position. Like I said, I still believe that the trade's gonna go to 78.50. So breaking even right now, it's a 10-hour trade. So I'm happy with the discipline, and me too, my lack of sleep, and to try to keep my clicking to a minimum today.
Nice. Well, you did very good. So,
Well, thank you, David.
like,
And
really,
right now I've
really
got
proud
3
of you.
hours there, and we'll see what's gonna happen.
Nice.
3 hours in action, but 10 hours, I definitely was very well served with PayPal today. So
Pretty good.
I'm complete. What about Zach?
Zachary, I know he traded IBIT, but I don't know what else.
I've been
Spy, I
short,
think.
and it was really, really
Yeah,
high.
I
right?
was. I traded gold
Like-
future.
This one, the actual gold ticket.
No gold future,
Futures.
micro gold future.
Yeah, I think I don't have the.
But I got stepped out. I traded SPY. Now I just got out at break even.
Okay, on SPY.
Yeah. And traded IBIT, so one time.
IBIT was your
I
biggest one,
went-
right?
I went short at first at 65.54.
Holy crap.
Got stepped out.
Wow.
And then got short at 65.92.
Mm-hmm.
And then added at 65.83. So my average was like 65.90.
Wow.
Then took partial at 65.65. And then at the bottom.
Good job.
Very nice. Very nice.
And then I tried back with a quarter of a position.
On
at
IBIT or SPY?
65.27.
Okay, IBIT.
IBIT.
At what
I
price?
tried short again. 65.27.
So did you survive
It
that
didn't
one?
work.
Okay, he got you out.
No. It got me out. But then I should have tried at 65.54 because it was my 2 range.
Okay.
Like I tried on one range and
Mhm.
then I didn't try on the other.
And like that's something you're doing like very dynamic. Like for example, in that stop loss is about 20 cents stop loss maximum. I guess you had. No, even probably. In your last
You
shot.
see, if I did that with the other level, it went by the penny on that. I would have get what's it? That trade would have been 5-hour trade.
I
Like
actually
the-
have a clear question now about that thing, but yeah, later we talk about that.
If you want to ask me quick after the live.
Yeah, like and that you can check. Like, do you see that the thinner level, like the width of those levels? Do you think that like let's say, have you been finding that if it's a thinner level, it have a tendency to bounce better than a wider one, or the opposite, or like or you don't have enough data on that one?
I don't know, but the thing I know is the thinner it is, the more profit you can make.
Yeah, because it's a tighter stop loss.
And in the wide one, you don't know where it's gonna reverse.
Okay.
So that's why at one point I was doing wide ones with daily level inside
Mm-hmm.
to make them thinner inside the big ones.
Okay.
But yeah, if I showed it again, I would have made 5 hours. So
Nice.
it's pretty good.
Right.
I'm green today.
Pretty cool. So you and Maria green. Very nice. So
Maybe like 1 hour, but
yeah.
Challenging trading day, so.
Yeah, Spy really misbehaved. Well, misbehaved. Like
Well.
Spy really was Renji for a long time.
So very challenging.
So that's it for today. I hope everybody have a good one. As I say, don't learn from me like today, but or learn to not do that. But yeah, I hope everybody have a good day. I hope everybody's green and like yeah, enjoy your day. And we're gonna be here tomorrow. Have a good one.